Let's explore how to use EBMUD's free home lead testing kit. When the kit arrives in the mail, open to see the contents and instructions. Don't run any water in your home, including faucets, toilets, and irrigation for 6 to 12 hours before you test. Record the time of last water use. Remove the plastic bottle from its packaging and fill with water. We recommend testing at a kitchen or bathroom faucet since they are most used. Stop filling when the bottle is nearly full, leaving just a small space for air. Seal the bottle tightly. Remove the return labels for later. Sign and date the included custody seal, and then firmly affix it over the top of your bottle cap. Place the sealed bottle inside the included Ziploc bag. Then place the bagged bottle inside the same box that it arrived in. Remove the paperwork inside and fill it out. Include the date and the time of last water use. Then fill in the date and then the time that the sample was collected. Remember to also include the room and which floor, upstairs or downstairs, that the sample was collected from. Finally, date and sign the form. Place the completed form into the box with the sample. You're almost done. Just close the box, then affix the included prepaid postage label and the third-party lab address label onto the top of the box. Mail and wait for results. Visit ebmud.com/lead for more information.